what is that password and everything. Okay, I will tell today. I will give full clarity. So now the next chapter, fourth chapter is whatever I'm given. I'm not given proper notes in the day Saturday. Now we need to go with working with models and databases. So whatever I'm typing, step by step, you have to note down. Okay. Sir, I want to work with models and databases means generally up to now we are injected normal data to the templates and we are included CSS files, those things only. In every web application or any application, the basic requirement is to store the data to the database. Whenever I can require, I need to read the data from the database. For that, we need to introduce it with models. Starting already, we know Djung is completely based on MVT, model view template architecture should be followed. Now, sir, by default, previously we created one project. Now I delete it. This PC D drive 17th March 11 a.m. model. MySQL you can go, MongoDB you can go, any other databases also we need to configure. So at the time of database configuration, by default within your mission, how to configure our database? How to database configuration. So by default in your mission, whenever I install Django, whenever I create project, whenever I can start the server, by default SQLite 3 is available there. Sir, for example, go to the CMD prompt. Yes. How to create a project? Go to directory D drive, CD. Our folder is Django 17 March 11 a.m. So Django hyphen admin start project. I want to give project name model project. Sir, some machines, Saturday also I see this. This Djung hyphen admin tool is not available. Internal, external, something coming. The problem is command is okay, work out, but in your system, there are two different versions are there. Python 3 point something is there, 3.10 is there. 2, 3 versions are available there. Then it is not recognized internal, external command. That's why I'm given one more command for you. What it is? py hyphen m, sorry, Django start project. Both are same only. If that command is not executed, please use this command. Both should be same only. Done. CD model project, sir. Now py manage.py start app. My app is a test app. Okay, done, created. Now go to the atom. In atom, yes, sir, by default, whenever creating project in your mission, by default, which is available? SQLite 3 data is available there by default. No, sir, I want to configure my own connection. Then I want to go with the database connection with what I want to do, my SQL. So at the time of MySQL, whatever is required, copy, paste. Sir, first of all, here which database we are connecting? MySQL. After that, database name. Sir, what is the meaning of this one? Based here, already we know. It is pointing to the current working project directory based here. Inside, SQLite 3 is available there. That is the meaning of a database name. But I'm not using this one. I want to use my database. In Saturday class, I created database, sir. What it is? SunnyDB. Sunny database we are created there. Okay. Where it is available there, check it. MySQL. In my machine, MySQL is there. Root is the password. Show databases. Sir, what is the database available? Sunny database is there. Yes. In this database, I want you connected. That is the reason I have to mention Sunny DB. I mentioned. Yes. Once the database is completed, next we have to give. What we have to give? User. Sir, what is the user? Here, by default, root is the user. Comma, sorry. Outside. After that, what is required? Password. Sir, what is the password? Password also root only. Root, comma. So next two are optional. One is host. Need doubt. Sir, what is the role of user? User, yes, who is? Yeah, Amit, at the time of database, admin is there, DB is there, database administrator, different users are there. Who are connecting to the database? You have some user ID, password is, that is called as user. User means database login username. If you want to connect to the database, Oracle is there, Scott to Tiger, our system manager. Here root is the username, root is the password into MySQL. The person who is connecting to database, that person is called as a user. Every user have their credential is there. Those we have entered. Sir, what is the password? Password is root completed. Sorry, host. Sir, what is the host we can provide? Local host. Finally, we have to go with port, sir. Sir, what is the port number? 3300 is the port number. 3300. Sir, copy these settings. Go to here. In this, whatever built-in is available, you can remove and you need to paste. Now, sir, my database connectivity, sir, 3306. Okay, by default 3300. If you want change port number, you can give anything, no issues. Sir, now the database connectivity, sir, correct or wrong? How to check it? Previously, I'm telling go to command prompt. Here, how to open the shell? Py manage.py. Go to the shell. Yes, now from django.db import. What you want to import? Connection. Next variable equal to connection dot cursor object. If it is without any error, it is coming. Okay, fine. If something goes wrong, getting error. What is the problem? I did any mistake? Cannot connect to the server localhost. DB operational error. From Django. No. There is error. Sir, if you're getting this error, if you write program, it won't store it into the database. No use. The connection kada. Where? MySQL. First of all, in Django server, I am checking my connections are proper or not. If it is okay, I create a table, I inserted data, then go to there, I am checking it. Here problem is, I think app. I'm getting it problem. Someone is telling na we are not. Adi the problem. First ఏం చేస్తుందంటే I'm not doing anything. Just connections are okay or not. I'm checking, but I'm getting something error. Now check it once again from Django. That's a first you have to check the connections. Still. Keyword arguments. You need constructor or something where else it's missing. Maybe port not required quotes. So it's working now. Any spelling mistakes are there? Please check it. Root password also. Root to localhost to host to password user port. Maybe no 1 minute. Create database. Unda Mahesh DB is there. Ledu. Mahesh DB show databases. Mahesh DB. Unda where? Just now I created na. Unda. Okay. Create Bunny. Show databases. Come to here. Bunny DB. Record simple spelling mistake. Something is there. We are not able to identify it. Engine name, user, password, host, port. I added a test app. Come to here. 1 minute. Exit it. Clear screen. Now Python shell. Okay. From django.db. So previously I'm using import statement. Connection. Is okay. Connection dot cursor. Valid. I'm not getting any error. It is going to next line. Next line means it should be valid. Previously we are getting error. So this is the way how to check the database connections. So this is how to work with my SQL database. Sir, if you want to go with, I want to go with which database? Oracle. Sir, at the time of Oracle, what I have to give? Oracle. What is the database name? BunnyDB MySQL. Oracle. How to get that name? This is the Oracle, sir. SQL plus. Okay. My username is Scott Tiger. Okay. Now, chunde. Select star from global underscore name. What is the database name by default? Oracle. If it is a old version, XE is the database name. Your database name is XE. Latest one, what it is? Oracle. That's why I have to given here as a ORCL Scott Tiger localhost port number 1521. Give this one. Next, after that, how to check the connections? Sir, here whatever we are provided, we have to giving settings. First one, what I'm given? Name. What it is? Name of the database engine. What is the second one? Sorry. That is name of the database engine. Second value, name. Name means database name. Bunny DB, na ORCL, those things. Yes. Third one, user, sir. User means database login username. Next, fourth one, password. Database login password. Okay, done. Inka host. The machine on which database server is running. My machine localhost. If you want to IP address, you can give your IP address. Last one, port number. The port number on which database server is running. In all these, first 1, 2, 3, 4 are mandatory. Remaining 2 are optional. Host, port are optional. Okay, sir, this is the 3 steps are there. If you want to database MySQL directly, you can use it. If you want to MySQL, change these settings. If you want to Oracle, these settings, these are the values we can provide it. After that, how to check Django database connections. How to check it? First, we have to go to the sir. First to open shell, sir. This is the command. You have to open the shell. Once you open the shell, 2 commands are there. What it is? How to import connection. After that, create a cursor object. These 2 steps you have to do it. If we are not getting any error, connection established successfully. We are not getting any error, means our database configurations are proper. Fine. Done. Now, sir, settings, everything will be completed there. I have to create a next one. What we have to create a model class. In the previously we created a model class. Model class is nothing but, for example, sir, here I have to write the which code I am writing, sir? Python code. I have to write that Python code is nothing but a model class. But by writing Python code executing, I am inserting data into the where in the database. In the database, I have to insert our data. But Python code can be understandable by human being and machine, but this Python code not able to understand by database. The database understandable language is only one language, and that is SQL only. So now what I was doing, first write your Python code. Once you return Python code, this codes are compulsory. You have to convert to which code? SQL code mandatory, because database understandable language is only SQL only. For that, previously I'm given commands, sir. What I'm given? First, I want to convert to Python class specific code to database. What is the command? Make yes, migration. The advantage of this command is my Python calls converted to corresponding SQL code. SQL code means if you want to create the table, I can use create, alter, delete, drop, truncate, some commands are there. That corresponding command. Okay, only query generated. After that, I want to inject this query to the database. How to inject this query to database? Migrate command is there. In interview, they're asking what is the use of the migrate command. Once query is generated, directly you can write query also. But why we are using migrate? What is the advantage of by using migrate? I'm not asking purpose. What is the purpose of migrate means? I want to execute SQL query into database, then I can use the migrate command. I'm asking advantage because directly SQL code is there na. This code copy, paste into MySQL, run it. Table created, not created. But why you are using migrate command? I will show the difference. Sir, first of all, these two commands are there, make migrations and migrate. Okay. As first of all, what is a model class? What is the model? Migrate. Okay. Okay. What is the model means? A model is a which class? Python class, which contains what it contains? Database information. It should be available. So I'm storing complete database information here. Now it contains what it contains? All the fields and behaviors of the data what we are storing. That is the model class. Now each model maps to database table, and one class I created, one model class. That model class is nothing but a one database table. How many tables you want? Create those many classes. Each class will be mapping to the one table. Now every model class in Python is child class of which one? In the last example, have you remembered? Compulsory it is a child class of django dot db dot models dot model. Sir, models is a module. What it is? Parent class. So previously in the parenthesis I'm given models na. So that is the parent. My class is the child class. Each attribute of the model represents database field. Now we have to write all model classes. Where and inside models dot py file. Now you have to create the project. Already I created project, model project. I application is there, settings is there, everything be completed there. Now go to here. Inside test tab Mahesh news. Sorry, minimize one project the model. Sir, up to now where I did the settings and all these model project only. Expand test tab. Sir, what is available? Models dot py. Yes. Sir, please try what it is? django.db library. What it is? Models module. Okay. Now you know how to create the class in the Python. Class is the keyword. Now what is the class name? Employee. Inside what I want to give? Models dot what is the class name? Model. That's why I'm telling this statement. What is the meaning of this statement? Is it child class or not? Because class with parenthesis, what is the meaning? It is the child class. This is the parent class. So how many variables you can require? Your wish. Employee number, employee name, employee salary. Done. So how to declare employee number? Models. Model styles. Which type of field it is a? Integer field. Integer. Okay. Names are models dot character field. Now character means compulsory to give max length. Your wish. Models dot salary float field. Now addresses are models dot spelling mistake. Yeah. Models dot. Sir, once it is coming, suggestions are available. Then only you can type it. Maximum length 30. Completed. So now whatever I am telling now, this is our model class. Python code is ready. I want to write data to the database. So if you want to write database means compulsory this one converted to which code? SQL query you have to convert. Then this query you can inject to your database. For that only we have two commands are there, make migrations and migrate. Once I created make migrations, the table will be created with the name of app name dot table name. What is our app name? Test app. So what is your class name? Employee. So what is your table name? Test app underscore employee. Now come to the command prompt. Exit from the shell. Yes. Model project. So what is the command? Py manage.py make migrations. Yes. Created model employee. So this is the command. Copy this. 1 second steps. Oh, first model class call 1 minute. This is the class. This is the model class. Employee name, salary, address are the fields. These are all the types. Next, converting model class into what I'm converting? Database specific SQL code. How to convert it? This is the command, sir. Once I use this command, you are getting this output. This is the way. Sir, once a query is created, how to show that query? How to see the anyone corresponding SQL code. SQL means compulsory create, alter, delete, drop those commands only. Code of migrations. How to see the code? Saturday executed one command. Yes. Check it. Sir, py manage dot py. What is the meaning of migrate? Migrate means SQL query will be executed to the database. Then we go for migrate. I'm asking, I want to see the SQL query. Already query generated, na that query I want to SQL migrate. What is our app? Test app 0001. This is the command. This is the query. Check it. Why it is coming like that? Sorry. Copy. So this is the query. After that, what we are getting this one. Check it. Create SQL command table name app underscore employee. By default, one field is generated. That is what it is. ID. Big integer auto incremented field, not null primary key. Next, employee number. Which type? Integer. By default, every field should be not null. Every field should be 001 generated number. Check it. They have to given one number for the table here. In migrations, 001 initial.py is there. That's why I'm using that code. I'm not given any code. This is there given 0001 initial.py. That's why I'm using that one. Nikhileshwar. Sir, what we have to do this? Yes. Integer, e name, varchar 2, not null, e salary, double, e address, varchar 2. So this varchar 2, this primary key, these technologies are SQL related terminologies, not Python. So I converted. Once I converted, I want to do what to do, sir. Next step, how to execute generated SQL code. Now SQL code is there. This code I want to execute into the database. Then I need to go to py manage.py. Then which command? Migrate. Observe. Previously I'm asking what is the advantage of migrate command? Okay. The main advantage is, sir, suppose this query is there. Create table in this query. Okay. I need to copy this. Go to MySQL. Show databases. Example, if I'm given, if I enter, is it created, not created? Definitely it will create the table. But I'm not using directly create. I'm using migrate command. The advantage is, sir, if you're using like this, it will create a table, but only table which is created, test app underscore employee only created. But along with this, Django related some internal tables was not created. It was not created. Only my specific one table should be created by running this code into here. But whenever I'm using migrate, along with the table, system related tables will be created there. Check it. That is the advantage of migrate. Some Django internal, some tables required. Authentication related, session management, some internal tables will be created. Admin related table, authentication, content type, session management, test type, all these will be created. That is the advantage of migrate command instead of executing direct to query. Now go to there, where in this database, what is the database, sir? Bunny. Okay. Use Bunny DB. Bunny DB. Now, DESC describe. Okay, sorry. First, show the tables. All tables came, authentication group, everything. Finally, your table is there. You have to describe about test app underscore employee. The fields. These are all the data available there. So now come to our nodes part. So now observe how to execute generated SQL query. This is the command. Copy this, paste it. Okay, done. So the main advantage that is asking what is the advantage of creating tables with which command? Migrate. Why we need to use the migrate command? The reason is, if we use migrate command, then all Django required tables will be created in addition to our application specific tables. If you execute a direct command, only employee table will be created. The supporting tables are not created. That is the reason sometimes may or may not it will be executed. Because previously in the Saturday class I created user, super user, that is available in admin panel. But if you are not using this one, admin table does not created, it may not work. Whenever I'm creating admin table created, authentication table, session management, my test app related table, all will be created there. That is the advantage of command. Now, sir, once it is done, how to check the created table in Django, where admin interface? Because MySQL already I'm checking by using these commands. So in MySQL I am checking use SunnyDB. After that, show the tables. in MySQL. If you want to check in MySQL, this is the process. Use the database, show the tables. After that, what I'm using, describe the employee. Okay, fine. I am checking. In MySQL, these are all the comments are there. But I don't want MySQL. I am asking where? In the Django panel. In Django admin panel, how to check it? Compulsory. First, you have to register. You have to register that model class in where? Admin.py file. Then only it is available to admin panel. To see the table, super user is required. First of all, you have to register your model class into where? Admin.py. So go to the admin.py, sir. Where it is available? In the models itself, admin.py is there. Yes. In admin.py. What they're asking? Register your model. Sir, how to register the model? What is available there? Admin. Admin dot. There is a site dot register. Which I want to register? Employee. Employee. But this employee class is available in somewhere else module. Which module it is available? Models. Models. So how to do that one? From where it is available? Test app dot models. Import. What I want import to? Employee. Completed. It is registered in this code. Completed. So next what to do? Create a super user because of to log into admin interface. These are all the steps we followed in Saturday class. All we have to create. Yeah. Super user is the different. Sir, please tell how to create the super user. Previously, I'm telling na py manage.py, anything py manage.py, create super user. It is asking, give your username. Sir, if I'm not given blank, then what it is considered? Mahesh, it should be considered. Okay, I'm leaving as a blank. Email address, anything you can give, abc@gmail.com. Password, Mahesh123. Password, Mahesh123. Do you want to create super user? Yes. This is the steps you have to follow. Copy this, paste it. So this is the way, Amit, how to create the user. Okay. Once the super user is ready, so now what to do next? Final, you have to start server and you have to log into admin interface by using the command. Now go to here, start the server, py manage.py, run server. Server should be started. Copy this, open browser. Now, sir, what I want to give? Admin, because by default in yours.py admin is there or not? Yes, check it in your project. Sir, I'm not created any URLs, but how it is going to means in by default, which URL is there already? Admin. So admin interface is open. You have to enter Mahesh username, password Mahesh123, login. Now, yes, what is the table? Employees table created. Open the table. Add. Now you have to add the details. 101. I'm given a record, some salary, address, Mumbai. Save. So I am using Django server, but data should be inserted into where? MySQL. If we give Oracle will be installed. This is the URL. Sir, once you create superuser, then only possible to log in. After that, log in and add the data. If you want to add another record, add another employee. 1 or 2. Bunny I am given. Salary. Something address Hyderabad. Save. Add another employee. Sir, suppose now my query is observe. Sir, here I am entering details or not entering. They're all the dummy details only. Suppose like this, 100 details I want to enter. How to do that one? I'm asking you can enter 100 employee details into database. Manually can enter one by one, one by one, one by one. No, we have to write the data. But at the time of writing data, program I will write. But how to generate some dummy data and the dummy names? Sunny, Bunny, Mahesh, Suresh, Vinay, Naray. Like that, 100 names are required. 100 mail IDs, 100 phone numbers, 100 dummy addresses, 100 salaries. Suppose a table contains 7-8 columns. I want to insert 500 dummy details I want to enter. How to do that one? At the time of testing purpose. That process also I will show. Yes, only one super is there for admin panel. But we are not using admin panel to interact database. I will write the program, Amit. Then I have to insert data to the database. Sir, up to here clear everyone? This is the last class I explained, but notes I'm not given between make migrations and migrate. Yes, what is the difference? Make migrations, sir, is responsible to generate the SQL code for Python model class, whereas migrate is responsible to execute the which one SQL code, so that the tables will be created in the database. That is the story. Sir, everyone clear? No. We're last. Someone came first class. These are first class. Sir, check it steps. You have to follow one by one, one by one, one by one steps. Clear, clear, clear. Clear. Okay, okay. So first you have to see the database. Sir, in your machine, MySQL, Oracle, if not there, no problem. Direct you can run the program. By default, it will be stored into where? SQLite, it will be stored. But the problem is, once you stored into SQLite 3, how I am checking MySQL, that checking is not possible like this. Your MySQL is there. I'm writing queries, I'm executing, but SQLite 3 inbuilt available. We are not executing queries and only you can check in admin interface panel only. That is the reason what to do next level. As a developer, what we give to our clients. We have to write the code. This code we can convert it to executable format. .exe we can give. We never give source code, Amit. The source code can be converted to .exe file. The .exe file we can hand over to the client. We never share the source code to anybody. Source code we never give, even client also. Sir, what to do next level, next concept? Why are you checking in the database? Everyone is having permission to connect to database checking. No. Whatever inserting data, you can display to the web page only. For example, I have one site is there. In this one, I am inserting data, sir. Chundi. Only front end I am doing. For example, I want to registration details. Okay, observe. Yeah, am I using any database or front end only? Front end only. Previously, what happened by using the inserted? Now, my next program is create one tip page. By using page, you can insert data like this. I'm entering some patient details only. Dummy details I'm entering. Something dummy details I am entering, sir. What is the use of super user? To log into the admin interface, Sharon. How to log into the admin interface? How can I insert the data manually? Then super user compulsory. Without super user, how can I log into this one admin interface? I logged out successful. I want to log into the Django administration. Then super user compulsory. Sharon. That is the reason I created super user. Sir, come to example. Sir, I'm entering some dummy details, na? Pay patient, brother, Gidhar, Mahesh, like that. Some dummy data entering. Anything is there? Hyderabad, phone number, country, India. All are complete. One photo is required. Choose a file. This PC, D drive, images, images. I inserted the image also. Sir, once I'm inserting, what I'm doing? I'm clicking save button only because you are end user. I am the developer. You are inserting data, clicking on save. Some field missing. Okay. Okay. Save. Record inserted or not? Where you can check? Can you go to database and you can check it? No. Here one registration number generated, not generated. Yes. Copy this registration number. Okay. Search registration. Paste that. Search. Am I getting data or not? Yes. 3rd April 2023. Just now entered the details. After that, what to do? Can I edit? Can I cancel admission? Can I confirm? So many. So these things we have to do by using our template. So just now I explained how to insert data to database. So database data is there. Sunny, Bunny, Mahesh, something data is there. Now next concept is read this data and display to the template. How to display? That is only next concept. I will give the steps. You possible you can try it. The next one, chudandi. Read. I will tell all the steps. Just you have to follow that. Try it. Read data from the database and display for the end user in the template, not to the database. From there you can read and send. Sir, tell the step by step process what we have to do. First one, what to do? Create a project. Model project 2 I'm creating. After that, create an application.
This meeting is being recorded.
Yes, up to your screen lagging. An application creation, settings.py, database, testing database, model, make migration, create super user, login. Only 2 steps extra. What about those 2 steps? Is there? What I'm asking you to you have to create template file or not? How to create already you know. Create one template file and static static files. And what is required? Corresponding configurations where in settings.p, because once you create template file, static file, all we have to insert it or not, template underscore dir, static underscore dir, css images, those things. Next, what to do? You read the data and send it to the template. Who will do middle? View place very. Who will send template to the end user? View or not? Rendering. Render test app.html file. So we have to write complete logic. Reading data. How to display data already we know. Dictionary. Send it to the table. Previously we are sending now. I'm showing the movies information, those things. Same process. The last step we have to create a view function. If you know this one, your project is over. View function. What is the purpose? To communicate with database and to get data, and we know how to send this data to which file? Template file, which is responsible to display to the end user. This is the 12 steps. Yes, Ginger 2. You know already view function. Previous project you can check it. You will get thoda clarity. Previous project, Mahesh news project. Views. Sir, what I'm doing here? Data is there. I'm rendering which one? Test.news HTML, my dictionary forward. Same here also. Don't do anything. You know how to connect to database, reading data. Send that variable as a dictionary format. Here news.html. In HTML code, how we are displaying? By using Jinja 2. Jinja 2 templates. Test here. How I'm displaying or not? Same UL list, employee number, employee name, employee salary, address. 4 columns you can give. That data you can send it through the view. Your task was completed. Sir, anyone can do this one? Follow the steps. Anyone? Now itself only in my system. You can try it. If any doubts are there, I will give clarity. No problem. Well done. Online students, you can do it parallelly. Anyone can do it parallelly. Here, I will give my laptop to some student. They will create everything. You also do parallelly. Sir, please send the class notes after completed the class. So definitely, Vijaya. Take those steps. Doubt. Super user and admin are same. In admin panel, super users are there. Here, no admins. That interface name is admin. That URL they are given admin interface. Na? That same calling. Inside admin interface, all users are super users. Model project. लंच टाइम हो गया. SQL 3. House.
This meeting is being recorded.
Present this one. Anyone can do it. Now here only. Notes is there. Follow the one by one step. Last two steps I will tell. Template and those story.
How to create a 12 point. Amit, already you know now how to create view function and communicate to database, get the data. Previously, astrology project, Mahesh news project, am I telling now how to send data to the template file by using ginger tags? We need to forward it. Sorry, can I do it one by one now? You are getting it last. అర్థమవుతుందా? కొంచెం 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 ప్రాక్టీస్ ఇట్. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తున్నారా? సరే. సార్ టెల్ one by one steps I will do it. ఓకేనా? First, stop the server. CLS cd dot come to the back. Sir, first one is 3. First 4-5 steps, everything common. Project, application, settings, database configurations, database connections, model class, everything. Okay, now observe. Create the project. Django hyphen admin start project. Model project 2. Done. Model project 2 done. Py manage.py. What to do? Start app. What is app? Test app. Okay, done. completed 3 steps. And 1, 2, 3. Okay, now first one done. Next, what to do? Settings. Close this, close this, close, 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 close. Model project 2. Open settings.py, sir. Sir, inside testing.py. First one, test, yeah, completed. Notes, check it too. First 3 are over. What to do? Database. So do you want to add any database configuration or same built-in database we can use it? That is your wish. Your wish. Previously I'm showing MySQL. Now I'm not doing anything in SQLite. I want to store and I want to display to the end user same database. Oracle means previously explained Saturday. 19 is required, but I have 12th version is there, not possible. If 19 is there, you can change the settings and you can do it. Add new one. Already added in a previous example, Raju. That's why now I'm not adding same database I'm using. Previous example already MySQL I added. That is the reason I'm not adding. Okay, same. Sir, same database. Is it properly working or not working? How to check it? Py manage.py. What to do? Shell. From shell, from django.db. Import. What I want to import? Connection. Okay. Give connection dot cursor. Perfect. No errors. So this is the way of checking the connections. Copy, paste, 1, 2, 3, 4. All steps done. So next what to do? 6th step. What it is? Model class. We know how to create model class. Go to the app level models.py. Yes, here you have to create a model. Same you need to take previous example only. Class, not I'm taking employee. Next I will give another example. Models dot, what is the class name? Model. Now employee number. What is the number? Models dot integer field. Next employee name. Models dot, sorry, character field. Max underscore length. Next employee salary. Models dot maximum length. Sir, completed. Copy. The 6th step. So models.py, write this code. Sir, once it is okay, next what to do? Make migrations and migrate. For that, go to command prompt, exit from the shell, exited, py manage.py, make migrations. Okay, done. Next, how to do migrate. Completed that one also. And first to make migrations. After that, migrate. Next, any what to do? See the steps. No. Before super user registration compulsory. Then only it is available. Next step, we have to register model class and model admin class also in admin.py. Go to admin. Sir, here the thing is from is the keyword test app dot. What is the model name? Models import. What I want to import, sir? Employee. Okay, Jan. Sir, here I want to create a class employee admin class. Another class I'm creating admin employee admin class. Here how to register admin dot model admin class. This is the parent, this is the child, because employee admin both I want to register. So now observe carefully. What is the purpose of this model admin class? Purpose is, previously have you observed here in this one, whenever if you want to log in, server is not there. It is going table only. In the table, how many columns you want to display? Employee number, names, suppose 10 columns are there. 4, 5 I want to display. Then observe. In this, there is a variable is there. List underscore display. Fixed variable it is a equal to how many columns you can require? Employee number, employee name, employee salary, employee address. So in list underscore display, whatever columns you are given, that only will be displayed to the end user. If you given only one column, that column only I will show. So after that, what to do? Admin dot site dot register. What I want to register? Employee, comma, what is the class? Admin class. The main purpose of admin class is which columns you want to display, that one. This is the code you have to write into your admin.py. In admin.py, write this code. Completed. Next enter the done now. Finally, create a super user. How to create the super user? You know. Py manage.py create super user. Name error employee admin. చూడండి సార్ ఎర్రర్ వచ్చింది చూసారా? At the time of creation of super user, I did something spelling mistake. Go to the admin.py. ఎక్కడ ఉంది spelling? Where? Admin.site. Employee admin. See the error, what they are telling, name error. Name employee admin is not defined. Class is there na? Class defined. EMPLOYM. Huh? Yes, creating super user. The problem is indentation problem. Indentation, because he see, this is the class declaration. After declaration of the class, you have to register. But I'm written within the class. Within the class means it is telling that class is not available still. Once that is over, then class is declared. I am registering to indentation problem. Sir, come to here. Now, username Mahesh. Mail ID abc@gmail.com. Password Mahesh123. Password Mahesh123. Create super user. Yes. Sir, if any error is there, you will get that in the panel. This is the way how to create super user. Sir, once I created super user, what to do? Now go to there, start server. View I will create. Reading purpose view. First add the data, some data. Run server. Server started. This is IP address, copy. Come to here, go to the panel, give admin interface. Table login. So now employee created. Yes. Now check it. Add employee. 101 I'm adding Sunny salary something. Save. చూడండి how it is displaying employee number, name, salary, address, displayed, not displayed because of admin, employee admin. For example, see, I'm given only 2 columns. Save, come here, refresh. What will happen now? Only 2 columns it will be displayed. That's why you have to register in admin panel. How many columns I am given? Those columns it will be displayed. So now go to here. Yes, you won't do anything, just to save, refresh your application. 4 columns came. So like that you can add some details. 1 or 2, some 4 records, 5 records you can add. Next address, saved. Add another employee, 103. One not 4. So like that, if you want to insert 100 records, it will take so much time. That also I will write a program. I will show that one also. How to do simplest way. Employee address. So now see, total how many objects are there? Number of employees, how many are there? 4, 5. 4 employees are there. 101, 102, 103. Sir, up to here, everyone clear? Yes, sir. Because same steps I'm following. The only 2 things are there. What it is? Template, view. Then it will be displayed to the end user. Start server. Log into admin interface. Add some records. Done. Sir, finally what to do now? Create a function in views.py. In views.py, am I rendering the HTML page or not? In that, write the code. So this is the new thing for you. Go to views.py. Simple code only, Python code only. We're all expert in that Python area. Yes or no? Na? Yes. That is also doubt. Ayo. We're all experts or not in Python area? Fully loaded. Sir, tell def any function name. EMP data, employee data, view. What I want to send? Request. Yes. Now EMP underscore a variable list. How to take that? What is the class name? Employee. Not there. Where it is available? From, yes, test app dot models import. What is the table name? Sorry, class name? Employee. Now, yes, here employee dot a command is there, objects dot all, means in the employee table whatever objects are there all will come and stored into where? Employee list. In the form of list it will be displayed. From list you can read one by one. Sorry, list contain multiple records. By using for loop can I read it, or for I in EMP list print I, records one by one will be printed there. Sorry, here it is called as ORM methods, ivanni object relation mapping methods. So employee is the class name. Whatever objects are there, all objects I am getting. I have to use some filtration also. Later on I will tell that story at the time of ORM concept. Object relational mapping. So from the database I am taking EMP. Sir, now please tell how to create the dictionary. I underscore dict any name. How to create? Curling braces. What is the key? EMP underscore list. What is the value? EMP list. Every time I'm using the dictionary, this dictionary is sent to HTML page. How to send that? What is the return? What I want to do? Render. Inside, I'm getting a request. What to do? Test app. It's not there. We will create EMP dot HTML. Next, what to do? My completed. Only thing is what to do. One folder HTML file. Inside display, which one you can display? EMP list only. Only the views. Copy, paste. Sir, that is the last one. What is the last one? EMP dot HTML. Now story starts. Previous classes, template, static, HTML file, CSS files, images, same story. Third chapter story. Come to here. Come to main project. Right click. First folder, templates. Done. Inside templates. Right click. Folder. What it is? Test app. Inside test app. File. What is the file name I'm given? EMP images. EMP dot నిద్రవుతుందండి EMP dot because what I'm written here emp.html or not? That's I'm given emp.html. Done. Go to what it is now? Static. Right click. Go to folder. Static. Inside static. Images CSS. Present no images. Only CSS. Go to a folder. CSS. Yes. Inside CSS. Right click. A file. emp1 dot CSS. This story I want to add to where? Settings. In settings, what to do here? Inside base dir, template underscore dir. What I want to give, sir? Base dir slash templates. Sir, here some guys are all are given some spelling mistakes. At the time of creation of their creating templates, here they are given as a template. No, okay. Give templates. After that, what it is another variable? Static underscore dir. I have to give base dir slash static. These steps. After that, in the templates, we have to give template here. In the static, go to the bottom of the page. Sir, what is the variable? Static files underscore dirs. Inside completed story. Now, ఇప్పుడు finally have to implement these pages are HTML code we have to write. Sir, first line, what it is? Percentage load static. All the static files will be loaded. Come to the body. Title. Employee data. Okay. Server is in the running. No. Go to there. Yes, server is running. One minute. Sir, I want to provide it. Observe H1 employee list. How it displayed? URL is required, not required. Go to URLs. From test app, import views. Now copy. URL is emp. Views dot emp data view. Now come here. Server started. Copy the address. Sir, this one is, observe, this is admin interface. This is now my URL. What is URL? EMP. Yeah, came. Title I am given EMP data. What I am given? Employee list. Now how to display that code? You have to write into your HTML file. Yes, Ginger to tags only. For example, see, Ginger to code. We have to take first one, percentage. If EMP underscore list percentage, we have to provide it. Sir, what is the meaning of this one? What is the meaning of this one? If EMP list contains something data, you have to display. Otherwise, you have to display no records found. Empty you have to display. For example, if EMP is available there, something data is available, I have to create a table. Sir, inside I have to provide a table head, T head. So these things already we explained. Next to TH. What I want to display? Employee member. Next to TH. Employee name. Next to TH. Employee salary. Sorry. Next to TH. Completed, not completed? Yes, see. If employee is there, table head, employee number, employee name, come here, refresh. If okay. And then I opened if I'm not using end if. That is the reason. Okay, don't bother about that. Come to here. Sir, if it is available there inside, I want to display the data. How to display data? Now take one for loop for each employee in where employee list. So normal for loop only. What is employee list? EMP list. What it is? Is it EMP list or not? Am I forward not for two template? Yes, in that template I am comparing each employee from where? EMP list. Now, once it is coming, again you have to go with TR. How to give that one? Table data. Ginger 2. Now, EMP dot, what I want to provide? EMP name. Sir, what is EMP? This variable. If I am given I, you can give I or not? Yes. That is. So how many are there? You got 2, 3, 4. Employee name. Employee salary. Sir, employee address. So now, once all the tier TDs are completed, observe. First year, you have to go with template tag percentage end for loop, because for each employee print second, third, fourth. Once complete, you can loop. For example, if there is no if condition not satisfied, what I want to do? Else you have to give with some H1 tag. What I want to provide? No records found. I printed. After that, Ginger template. What I want to do? Percentage and if the reason. So first, am I using if statement or not? Sir, if it is okay, total will be displayed. Not satisfied, no records. End if. This is the for loop, ending for loop. Save. Come to here, refresh. Employee number, name, everything came, not came? Came, but table format not coming. Inside table, now to give border of 2 pixels. Now, sorry, come to here, refresh. Okay, but now this is admin interface records. This is the front end template employee list I displayed. So what to do? EMP1 CSS body. I want to provide it. Background color you red. Next H1 tag. H1 I can provide text ln I can provide center. Table I can add auto margin I can provide there. Save this. So how to add this one? Inside here. Only one thing is what it is link. How to give this one, sir? Curling brace. Yes. Percentage static. Tarvata CSS. Next to save. Come to here, refresh. Wow. Came table. That is the story. Only template file I am taking the data. For example, see, go to admin interface, observe, delete all, go ahead. Gone. Any record is there? No. Come to here. Come to our here. Refresh. Was no records found because I deleted all everything gone. Again, you have to insert the records in admin interface manually. Show me that one. It is coming. Instead of entering manually, I will write the program how to enter dummy data 100 details. I will write a simple command and I will write Python program. If I am running, 100 records will be inserted. Otherwise, what to do? Go to here. Click on employee 101, employee name, Sunny, employee salary 12,000, employee address Hyderabad. Save. One record is there. Come to here, refresh. Okay. Simple thing. But you need to practice it. Once you will get practicing, oh, that is the way. Of online students, are you getting it? Almost
This meeting is
ఏం
being
చేస్తాం మనం?
recorded.
I'm entering manually or not one by one. I'm adding employee through admin interface and I'm checking to the table directly refreshing. I'm getting the save. Come here, refresh. It is getting the record one by one. Instead of this form, I can take from the form whenever I'm clicking on the save button, the data should be saved directly. For that, what is required? Forms is required. Sir, enter your salary. నా శాలరీకి పెట్టాడు తీసుకెళ్ళి సార్ దట్ ఈస్ ద వే సార్ హౌ టు డూ దీస్ థింగ్స్.
The recording has
Sir,
stopped.
any doubts, anyone except salary? Sir, how much minimum salary of Django developers? Depends upon your talent. Yeah, suppose you, as a fresher, if I'm going, I can work with 20,000, 30,000. If I have experience, I can ask 20, 25 lakhs like that. Depends upon experience only always. Amit. Sir, that is the way of creation of our databases models. These models database related some questions are there. Tomorrow I will use that questions. Sir, already stopped recording. Sir, today I will stop the session, sir. Tomorrow what I was telling is to generate the fake data and the fake details. Suppose I am entering na Sunny, Bunny, Chinny, Binny. These are all the fake data or not? Fake data only. Suppose I have a table is there, employee table. 7 columns are there. Employee number, employee name, his mail ID, address, mobile, city, pin code, something. Some 8-9 columns are there. 100 records I want to enter into the database. How to do that one? Not manually. Python is provided by default. One module is there, sir. Sir, it is a Python program. Tomorrow I will tell. Basic idea I am giving. Go to the D drive. There is one module is there. What is the module? String. No. Then is it creating all mail IDs, phone numbers, everything? Yesterday. Oh no, you send code only, that is phone generation. Na? Names, emails, and correct. I will use simple one. 1 minute. Delete. Open test.py. Sir, see that one. Anyone can understand this one? What it is? Morning advanced Python question. What is the outputs we will get? Sign number 7, 8, 11, 12. Again started questions. Sir, if you know, you can tell, otherwise chod do, okay na? Because కొంతమంది క్వశ్చన్ ఓపెన్ చేయగానే తిట్టుకుంటున్నారు నన్ను, స్టార్ట్ చేసేటరా బాబు అని. నిజంగానే మరి, లేకపోతే ఏంటి రోజు సరా ఏదో వచ్చాము క్లాస్ విన్నా వెళ్ళామన్నట్టుండాలి కానీ పెద్ద క్వశ్చన్లు అడుగుతాడు కూర్చోబెట్టి. సరే, చెక్ ఇట్. ఇఫ్ యూ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ యూ కెన్ టెల్, అదర్వైజ్ నో ప్రాబ్లం. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ అవుట్పుట్స్? ఫస్ట్ వన్ 1020, T2 1020. After updations, triple three, second T2, same only. Check it carefully. T2 also. So these are all the certification question. This one, morning class I asked these type of questions. 1020, 333, yes. T2 values are 333, 20 only, not 999. T1 333, 999. Check it. Are you getting it? Observe carefully. Command prompt. So ilan question lo 10 unnai. Okay. 10 questions are there. Same. What is the outputs in interview, in the Microsoft certification? They are asking these type of questions only. Adugondi 1020, 1020, 333, 999, 333, 20. Some guys are getting question. What is this question now? Observe how it is executing. I will show. Sir, first of all, chunde line number 5 and 6 at the time of execution, 2 objects got created or not? Yes. First reference is T1, sir. Second reference is T2, sir. Okay, done. Sir, whenever object is created, automatically which is executed? Constructor. Constructor. Within the constructor, what is available? Y. And internally, a object contain y equal to 20. Here also y equal to 20. But what about my x? X is which type of variable? Y is which type of variable? Instance. X is static, Y is instance. Static variable one copy can be shared to the all objects or not? Yes, outside. So this X is applicable for all objects in the class, only one copy. Done. Now, if I'm asking T1, so T1 contains any X? No, then it is accessing class variable. 10, 20 is the outputs. 10, 20. T2 also same. T2 does not contain X, accessing class value 10 and 20 up to here. What is the meaning of line number 9, sir? ఏమవుతుంది అప్పుడు 10 will be gone, it will come 333. What is the meaning of line number 10? Is it changing only T1y or not? Yes. Now what is the value? 399. T1 of x. T1 does not contain x, only static variable. That is the reason 333 and 399. Now come to T2. 333 and 20 only, not 399. Because only T1 only here. Why I'm telling this means instance variable versus static variable story. That's why I'm explaining this one. But my concept is kaadu. What it is from? Okay. What is the module name? Faker. Import. What is this faker? What is this? What is this? Both are same, na? This one module, this one class. Okay. Create object to that class. How to create object? Faker with parenthesis. Object dot created. What I am given? Yeah, reference variable. I am imported. Now observe simple logic. F dot. I can use a variable. What it is? Name. What I want to give? Name. Save. Oh, print cheleda. Sorry. Print the name. Run the program. One name will be generated. Which name? Gary Mitchell and run. Sir, run. Sir, instead of writing str came, not came simple. వస్తుందా లేదా నేమ్స్ అయిగోండి. Very important module. Next Dijang will go with this one only. Just now I'm telling na, suppose I'm entering 100 student names. What to do? Give that to Faker module name for loop. 100 names generate, not generated. Simple, only one line code for I in range of 10. Okay, anything. This program tomorrow I will tell you. And you know that? దీని లోపల ఇవ్వలేదా? సారీ అయితే సేవ్. అదిగోండి ఇచ్చిందా లేదా? ఇలాగే ఉంటూ జనరేట్ ఆల్ నెంబర్, నేమ్, శాలరీ, అడ్రస్, మెయిల్ ఐడి, పిన్ కోడ్, ఏంటి ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఐ విల్ ప్రొవైడెడ్ లైక్ దిస్. 500 details only. What to do? One line I will run pwtest.py. 100 is 100, 500 is 500. Input, enter how many number of records? 100 records for I in range of n. Run this code, all the data will be gone. This is cinema. Tomorrow I will tell this one. So what is the module? This is the class to generate the fake data to the application for testing purpose. Django provided this module, Faker module. For this I am generating the data. Tomorrow class I will tell this story. Notes. నోట్స్ ఏమంటుంది? అయితే వస్తాం ఇప్పుడు. Sir, immediately I will upload it. Otherwise I am